Escape with Tedman. Welcome back, escapers. Today we went to Mclaren Vale, and this is the Cube. The Cube has a lot of arts and wine and things like that, so it's a bit funky and groovy, and we're on our way to the harbour. Just made it up the top of the Cube. Very different. There's wine tastings up here if you want some as well. Thank you very much. In this room you get to sniff everything and you can describe it. It smells nice, it smells way different. But it's really cool. So there's like heaps of these bottles and you get to smell it. This is at the end of the Cube when you're leaving. It's really, really fun. So this room is like a big 360 experience. It just keeps on changing with like little artworks and stuff like that. Cool music, and this is just after we did the smelly room. Which smell great, by the way.
I think you're meant to go here, do the wine tastings, get a bit tipsy, and then walk through these rooms and just be like...
Yeah, clearly you're meant to get a bit drunk. So, well, I'm glad we waited for that one. So they've always got this cool, like, eerie music playing as well.
I think it's definitely something different. It's a unique experience.
Yeah, you definitely want to see it if you're coming around here, for sure.
Yeah.
I can
it's
see
only
why.
$10, and you get to have...
Was it $10?
Yeah, it's $10.
It's $30 for both of us, I think.
Yeah. Oh, yes, 15 then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we made it to Pizzateca. It's just around the corner from the big Cube. Apparently the pizzas here are really nice, and I love my pizza, so let's go.
Food's on the front and then pizza on the back.
Cool, thank you.
We're here at Pizzateca, which is about a 6-minute drive from the Cube. And basically they do traditional Neapolitan Italian pizzas. And it's in a beautiful setting here down in Mclaren Vale. And yeah, it should be good. So this is pork sausage and fennel. The cheese is so nice in this.
It's going Teca's. Teca's in my mouth.
I panicked.
Teca means shrine, so it's a pizza shrine, as Rachel found out. So honestly, it was really, really nice pizza. The food was great. The service was really nice. Nice music. Definitely would come back. It would be great if you're doing a wine tour, just to come here for lunch, fill up on pizza, and go have some more wine. So what could you want? Now we're heading to Victor Harbour. We're just going to our Airbnb. This is the first Airbnb we've ever stayed at. So we're excited. We're going to check it out and hopefully, it's great right now. Sorry, we're just getting on the main road. Yeah, and hopefully the Airbnb is really nice. It's got a loft area, so we'll show you guys when we get there. We'll see you there. It's about $350 for the weekend that we're here. We're here Friday night and Saturday night. We're going home Sunday. So today we're going to just wander around, see what's happening. So we're going on the steam train tomorrow, guys. It's from Victor Harbour to Goolwa. It's what the locals used to do to go collect the cockles. On the last day, we're going to go on the horse and cart, which takes you across the bridge, which is going to be awesome. That's one of the main things to do in Victor Harbour. And we're also going to go on a little boat tour. We're really excited, guys, and we'll see you somewhere else in Victor Harbour in the next clip. We're just heading to the wildlife park now. And it's about probably a 10-minute drive from the B&B that we're staying at. Don't... Yeah, it's not. That'll be us. That'll be so us. We'll sit on it and go. Hello. Hello. So Rachel and I have been walking around trying to find the kangaroos. We found 2 over there and we're like, oh, that's pretty cool. And yeah, we thought that was it. And then there's a few more. Oh, here they come. Boing, 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 boing. So soft. Through the grass. Good boy. Coming over to say hi? Look how big you are. Yeah, show your size. Look at you. Where is she? It costs $14 each plus $1 for the feed, each bag, which isn't too bad, honestly. And you want the feed because you can get all the ducks and stuff over to you and feed the birds and the kangaroos as well.
come on. Off you go. There you go.
Next time on the first day. So we just had a meal at the pub. It was very cheap, pretty average. Salad bar was alright. Nothing too fancy, but we weren't too hungry after lunch. It's a little bit stormy, but it's quite nice. Like rugged up. We're going to the train tomorrow. Should be fun. Come along, please join us. Let's go, guys. Good night. We'll see you in the morning. Day 2, guys. We're gonna go to the bakery right now. Get a pie or pasty or something like that. Just wake ourselves up. It's about 9 o'clock.
So I got a meat pie, and Michael got a sausage roll, and I got my chai latte, and we're all good to go.
At the train station right now. It's literally 5 minutes up the road from the bakery where we were just at, and it looks pretty nice. We're about an hour early, but we're just making sure that we can get tickets and that it's working and stuff, because we're not too sure. But the tickets should be pretty cheap, and it leaves at 11 o'clock.
No steam drink there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
A bit disappointed the train wasn't running today. We looked it up on the website, it looks like it was all open, even the booth was open.
Yeah, the booth was open.
It was just open to have a lady tell us that it's not running today.
Yeah,
so.
it's strange. So it sort of throws our plans out. We're probably going to go on the horse today then, horse and cart, and maybe to a couple of museums.
A spanner in the works. Unfortunately, the horse-drawn tram is also not working today, and probably not tomorrow either because of windy conditions. It is super windy today, as you can see.
It is super
by our hair. So I think we're just going to walk it. We're going to walk to Granite Island, and then I've figured something out over there. We can see some mini golf in the distance.
Well, our plans have just sort of gone a bit haywire, which is a little bit annoying about that. Like, I was really looking forward to the horse-drawn.
I was looking forward to
everything.
Those were the main things.
Yeah, those were the two main
really hope
things.
the tour's going to run tomorrow.
I don't understand how the train isn't running. I understand with the horse is a little bit dangerous, maybe.
Yeah, the horse would be dangerous.
But like, it's a Clydesdale. It's not going to fly away. It's not a feather. But we just done some mini golf, so we'll probably do that in a sec as well. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to walk across Granite Island. Normally the tram, the horse-drawn tram, will take you across. But we're just going to walk across. It's really windy, so we're not going to film as we're walking across because you just won't be able to hear anything.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's quite cold, quite windy, but we're still having fun. We're making the most of it. It's a bit of an adventure, so let's go. Come on. It's a nice little walk, wasn't it, Rachel?
Yeah, that was good. We're going to walk around the island.
Walking up the first path as you come up, I think it takes you up to the top of the hill, not the island. So it's pretty cool. These rugs are awesome. I don't know how or why they did it, but on the benches they have these things. Strange. Different. Niche. I don't know. Just in case you get lost, this sign will help you know where you are. I don't know what we're doing. Cool rocks over here that have like, it looks like it's been eroded by the wind, and it's got like a mouth and things. We'll show you that right now. It's pretty cool, guys. Oh, there's another little island out there, like Alcatraz. I was going to do things you must do when you come to Victor Harbour, and we can't do any of them, so that's going to be a short video, and Rachel wants me to film this right now. You know, like when they do that one-legged thing and so they get the chip? That's that one. Yeah, it's always doing something cute. And that's why it's always plump. That's why it's always sitting down, because it's plump. But yeah, we're walking across. We decided to play some mini golf since it was open. It's called skill. Just tap it in. Tap it. Neither of us could actually get it in, so we tried this way and still failed.
What? So now we're just heading to lunch. We just finished mini golf there at the Dunes mini golf. I'm gonna head to the Whalers Inn now, which is next to the bluff, and have a bite to eat.
How's it?
Really not.
Good. I think on the way home we might go to Woolworths, grab a movie, and then we can just chill. We've still got some leftover pizza from Pizzateca as well, so we got all the food. It's always a food trip with us.
Get ready to play Slap Ninja! Like this to win.
So cool.
Look it up.
So Rachel and I have got some board games for tonight. We couldn't find any movies, but yeah, we're just having a little explore. We don't have the guns. We made the guns? Show them the guns? Okay? It means war, honestly. It's serious. Okay? So this is one. This is an our gun. You load it. What are you saying?
Mine's a double barrel gun.
It spins.
And so you gotta
Sorry. Premature. Rock, paper, scissors. You get to choose the gun you want. Loser gets to pick where they go.
Yep.
Okay?
That's good.
Gotcha! Gotcha! I hit you! I hit you! Wow! You got me! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just got an email from the Big Duck Tours as well. It says it's cancelled for tomorrow, so there goes literally all our plans for this weekend, which is unfortunate. But we're still just gonna have fun. Tomorrow we might just drive somewhere else then around this area. Like I said, it's traveling. We'll get on with it and we'll do something more fun and enjoyable. We can make anything fun we do. That's the thing. You just gotta have your head up and enjoy. So we're home now. I'm gonna actually vlog from the little loft. This is literally why we got this place. Yeah, so here's the loft. There's Rachel. Yeah, so we're back from Nino's. It was really nice. The garlic bread was super great. Rachel and I both enjoyed that. I had pizza. Rachel had some pasta. Garlic bread was really, really good. So if you do go there, definitely get the garlic bread. Because it was like crispy but soft. It was really nice. So we're going to guess who done it? In this nice little house. And we're watching the chateau thing. Good morning guys, we just woke up. It's about 9 o'clock. We're just checking out of the Airbnb.
Okay, so we're just heading to Goolwa now, which is a town just outside of Victor Harbour. I think there's a motor museum in the town as well. And so we're going to check it out.
Some barbecues here. It's really cool. This is a good setup. And you sort of feel like safe, but at the same time I said to Rachel, if a shark gets in there, it's stuck. It's just like in the horseshoe. So how does it get out? It's like every horror movie ever. This is us driving to Gilbert. There was a car that overtook me and 4 other cars, so I was amazed. But yeah, so we decided we'd just have a bite to eat Goolwa. Then we would head to Strathalbyn because there was a bike show on. This is a strawberry cheesecake. Rachel just went and got it. Looks really, really nice. You still take a bite, we're gonna half it. All we're doing is eating. So we're in Strathalbyn right now. There's lots of antiques and stuff like that, so we're just gonna look around. Cool, I can see why people do this on their weekends, American pickers and stuff like that. It's a bit of something for everyone. A bit of history, it's always nice. Across the road from the antique store was Gilbert's Motor Museum. It was actually really cool, and it had so many vintage cars, and the collection was amazing. Love it. It cost $16, so $8 a person for an adult. Really nice. It's right next to the pub on the main street, so you can look at antiques and then come and look at antique cars. I'm so happy we came here. So there's the river. They're setting up right now. It's really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Like this. Yeah. So they're setting up now anyways. There's going to be music and food and stuff like that. We're just lugged out, honestly. It starts at 2 o'clock. It's just gone 12 o'clock now. So there's a nice little area we can chill. We'll definitely hang out for this, I reckon. Looks nice. There's going to be some cars coming through, motorbikes. In the pub behind us. It's just across from where they're having the festival. Just crossing the road now. It's really nice, little quaint little. It does smell nice. Beer garden, everything you want. It's really lovely. I love it. We're just sitting on this wall. It's chilling. It's about suicide prevention and stuff like that in country towns. So it's really nice, a nice thing, but like it's good that they're doing it to raise awareness. So a bit of a somber note to end the video on, but suicide awareness needs to be talked about more. Make sure your friends and family are okay. Please, if you're looking for a chat or need any help, please comment below. I'm more than happy to have a chat, and I'm sure everyone else will help. You're not alone. So here are some bloopers just to have a laugh and enjoy life a little bit more. Thanks guys, and we'll see you on the next escape.
I